Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through how to play an Animal Crossing on your Nintendo Switch in 2025 step by step. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch is updated to the latest system software to ensure the best gaming experience. Then head over to the Nintendo shop and search for Animal Crossing and New Horizons. If you don't already own it, you can purchase and download the game directly to your console. Once installed, launch the game from your home screen. The game will guide you through creating your character and setting up for your island, which is heard of Animal Crossing. Spend time customizing your character appearance and naming your island. They are permanent choices, so choose wisely. As you play, focus on daily tasks like gathering resources, fishing, catching bugs, and talking to villagers. These activities help you earn bells in the game currency and improve your island development. You can also visit friends' island online or invite them to yours by using a Nintendo Switch online services, which requires a subscription. Remember to check in the game events and any updates regularly since Animal Crossing frequently adds seasonal content that keeps the game fresh and exciting. That's the full guide to getting started with Animal Crossing on your Nintendo Switch in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.